Oh, I thought I was posing. We're in Cosby, Tennessee. She can't walk in wet grass, but when she's off her leash, she can run crazy through it.
What's going on back there, Ray? Are you all steamed up?
I can see him, but he's pretty steamy.
You could probably pull that off of there.
Yeah.
Is that better, buddy? That's our cabin back there.
I wish I knew if anybody was up there. I would choose to walk up there.
Yeah, I think it's a driveway. This is a good loop on this road, though.
Joey! Joey! No!
What just happened?
She's eating crap.
What kind of crap?
I don't know.
Guys, come on, let's go.
Deer or rabbit.
Back in the rain hood.
Hey! Joey's gross. Oliver's clean.
No. Guys, there's two horses standing there.
Joey!
Those horses, look at how they're standing there in their coats.
Oliver!
Come here, boy. Come here. Good boy.
Why? Crazy.
So this is ours. 2616 Buckeye. I'm coming. Do another lap.